and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Ambulae ukkari. Ambulae is tender mango, and for Ambulae ukkari you need brined tender mango. And this recipe, it goes well with rice, dosha, idli, udda sandan, udda appo, chapati and even roasted bread also. This can be refrigerated for 2 to 3 days and can be used. No onion and garlic have been used in the preparation of the dish. These are the ingredients that you require. You need 1 bowl of brined tender mangoes, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder or as per your spiciness level, water as required. For seasoning you need oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and curry leaves. Wash and keep the tender mangoes aside. So these are the tender mangoes as shown in the photograph. These are brined tender mangoes. Heat oil in a kadai for seasoning. Add mustard seeds and when they splutter add cumin seeds followed by curry leaves. Now add the tender mangoes and water as required to boil and cook them. Add red chili powder and mix well. Leave the mangoes to boil and cook and give in between. Evaporate the water completely. Your Ambulae ukkari or brined tender mango curry is ready to be served. Serve with rice, dosha, idli, sandan, appo, chapati or even roasted bread. Thank you for watching this recipe. It was a very simple, delicious recipe and you have to give it a trial and let me know in my comments how you feel about this dish. Please do like, share and subscribe. I will be sharing most of the Kerala GSB Konkani dishes in this channel. Please do keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching.